This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode on the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Mozilla Firefox web browser opened up now. To enable dark mode, you want to open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, I am on the General tab. And on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Language and Appearance section, and it says Website Appearance. Some websites adapt their color scheme based on your preferences. It gives you 3 choices. To enable dark mode, you want to toggle on Dark. That enables dark mode for your web page. Now down below that it says Manage Firefox Themes in Extensions and Themes. Click on Manage Firefox Themes in Extensions and Themes. That'll take you to this page. This will enable dark theme for your interface up here. As you can see right now I'm currently in light theme, but you want to search for a dark one. If you don't see one in here, you can always search up here in the search box. But mine is right here. I'm going to enable dark. Now as you can see, my interfaces went to dark mode also. Now if I go back to YouTube, if I refresh, that is how to enable dark mode on Firefox. Thanks for watching.